Today we talk about how can you follow artists on your Audiomack app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Audiomack to find fit. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on faith. When you just click here on faith, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. And here can you follow these accounts here, so or find here fits. So then here can you follow this artist in this list. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish you know here you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.